everybody, and welcome to our knitting tips and tricks series. In this video, we're going to talk about circular needles. Oftentimes, new knitters think that they should start with straight needles, and I just want to let you know that I would suggest otherwise. Circular needles, it's exactly the same as working with two separate needles, except you have your two needles connected by a cable. These kind of needles are easier to maneuver, and they're less awkward than the long straight needles. Also, the nice thing about these needles is you have a built-in stitch holder. If you need to take a break from your work or transport your project, you simply slide your stitches onto the cable portion of your needle and they stay safe for when you want to return to your project. Another benefit of circular needles is you can do any project on a circular needle that you can on straight needles. Just because it's a circular needle does not mean that you have to be knitting in the round. These can act as two separate knitting needles, just like straight needles. So for new knitters, I suggest you get started with circular needles. They're less awkward, they're easier to maneuver, and I think that you'll find that they're more comfortable to use. So just a little tip and trick on circular needles and needle selection, and I hope that helps you get started on your project. Happy knitting!